Hello kids, welcome to the online class. Before starting the class, let's do the prayer, okay? All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Today's topic is our universe. Today we are going to see the topic our universe and our world. Okay. In that, first let's start with our universe. In the universe, what we have? We have solar system. In that we have 8 planets. Okay. In that solar system has 8 planets. In that one planet is Earth, which we live in the planet. Okay. Earth, where we live is called Earth. Okay. Now let's see the what we have. We have seen Earth. Now we are going to see Sun. Sun is the brightest star in the sky. Okay, Sun is the brightest star in the sky. It comes during the day. It shines during the day and gives us heat and energy. Okay, it gives us heat and energy. Without the sun, our life is impossible on the earth. It is little bit difficult on the earth because it gives light. So without sun it is difficult. Then third one is stars and moon. Stars and moon are seen in the sky at the night. Okay, we see stars and moon in the night. Okay, at the night the stars twinkle. Okay, the stars twinkle and the moon gives us light, enough light to see the things. Okay, moon gives us light and stars twinkle. Okay, this is about stars, moon and sun and earth. Okay, let's see what we have in the reader. Okay, see here the earth. There are 8 planets in our universe. We live on one of the planets called earth. Okay, next the sun. The sun is the brightest star in the sky. It shines during the day and gives heat and light. Without the sun, life is not possible on the earth. Next, stars and the moon. The moon and the stars are seen at the night. Are seen at the night. Are seen only at the night. Stars twinkle. Stars twinkle, and the moon gives us enough light to see. Okay. Next is they have given. Rearrange the letters to find the names of the following. This is Earth, right? Earth. We have to read spelling. Earth. Earth. Moon. 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 Star. 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 Next, Sun. Sun. Okay. Next topic is our world. Okay. Here the world, the earth, otherwise is also called as our world. Earth is also called as our world. See what earth consists of. Our world consists of plains means land. Plains means land. Next, forest. Forest. Then lake. This is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Then river. R-I-V-E-R, river. This is river. Then desert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T, desert. Then mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-N-S, mountains. What more about our world is? The earth is the most dense planet. Earth is our most dense planet in the solar system. It is the fifth biggest planet. It is the fifth biggest planet, and here 71% of the world is filled with water. Here 70% of the earth is filled with water. Means in whole earth 71% is water, filled with water. Only 29% land. Okay, this is about our world, that is known as our earth. Okay, now I am going to show you a video of our planets. Let's see that one and learn about our solar system. Okay kids, see that video. Okay, bye.
Our topic for today is planets of the solar system. The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They revolve around the Sun in definite orbits. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. As Mercury is nearest to the Sun, it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. The second planet, Venus, is the hottest and brightest of all planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or evening star. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. The fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths inside it. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the Sun, cold winds blow here at very high speeds.